Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm talking about the law of assumption and impatience. I often receive questions like, I've been trying everything, but nothing seems to be working. I'm getting impatient, when is my desire coming? First of all, let me be real with you. If you have this mindset, you are unlikely to manifest your desires. But don't worry, we're going to change that. Everything in your life, from your experiences to your appearance, is dictated by your subconscious mind. Your inner conversations with yourself are key, and if you are constantly telling yourself that you're not seeing results, you are affirming a lack mentality which will manifest more lack. You need to understand that you already have what you desire. Trust your imagination as it is more real than anything you see. The physical reality is malleable, and you are the sculptor of your own reality. Many people make the mistake of looking for evidence that manifestation is working, which leads to doubt and ultimately failure. The most common cause of failure is not living in the end. Your subconscious is like a sponge, absorbing all the information you give it. If you constantly talk about how nothing is working, you will manifest more of the same. Live in the end, have faith in your manifestation, and assume that you are doing everything right. You can have anything you want, no matter what your current circumstances are. Remember, through your thoughts and feelings, you have the power to create your own reality. Nothing is impossible for you, and if you assume success and persist in that assumption, you cannot fail. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe your thoughts. If you reach a point of satisfaction, repeat the process until you feel as though you've touched it. Remember, you are infinite, and through your imagination, you have the power to shape your reality. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.